Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable desktop mode on Chrome in Android. Let's get started. At first, open Chrome browser. Now tap on three-dot line. Now tap on Settings. Now scroll down. Tap on Site Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Desktop Site. Now turn on. Successfully done. Go back. Search anything. See, desktop mode is enabled now. By this process, you can easily enable desktop mode on Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.